Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can sell Notcoin. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open up any your exchange like OKX, Bybit, etc. So I will open my Bybit app. Once you are on the home page, tap on Market tab in the bottom and search for Notcoin. You will see number of different results. Simply select NOT/USDT and you will be on this page. Here, switch to Sell tab. Now, make sure to select Market in this section, as Market gives the best rates to sell the coins. Once you do that, enter the quantity of Notcoin you want to sell and tap on Sell Not. And that's it. Now, in order to withdraw Notcoin to bank account, go back on the home page and tap on Assets tab at the bottom right. Here, tap on Deposit and a menu will slide on your screen. In this menu, select Deposit Crypto. Now, search for USDT and tap on that. After that, select the network, so choose BSCBEP20 and it will give you your wallet address. You just have to copy that address. Mine is not showing because my account is not verified on Bybit, but in your case, the address will display. Then you just have to copy that address and then paste it your other exchange like Binance in order to withdraw. Keep in mind that when you are doing this, make sure in the Binance app you choose the same network that you have chose here. Otherwise, withdrawal process will not take place. So that's basically how you can sell Notcoin. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.